This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Frost. Don't miss this charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome with a single-car garage in the popular Wynchase community. This sought-after end-unit Banbury model has a great open floor plan with high ceilings and lots of light throughout, plus a screened lanai for relaxing. The first floor features an open kitchen with tile flooring, plenty of cabinets and a breakfast bar, and the main living area, along with a main floor half bath for convenience. Upstairs you'll find the primary bedroom, with its own ensuite bath, featuring dual sinks and a tub/shower combo. In addition to the primary bedroom, there are 2 additional bedrooms upstairs, the laundry area, and a guest bath. Wynchase Townhomes is a gated sidewalk community, and residents here enjoy a low-maintenance lifestyle. The HOA maintains the lawn and all exterior maintenance, so you can just sit back and relax. Residents can also take advantage of the heated community pool and fitness center. The community is located right in the heart of everything, putting you just a short distance from anything you might need, including restaurants, grocery, medical, and shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Stephanie Frost at 352-812-4872.